Selecting the right candidate for a company has a significant impact on everyone involved, from the company investing in a new asset to the candidate themselves making a critical choice that affects their life. IT is a field where recruitment presents very interesting challenges. Candidates expect to interact with recruiters who understand them both technically and personally. If one of these elements is missing, there can be issues in the process. My name is Bartek Lenartowski, and I am the COO and founder of ITSelecta. I am an engineer, front-end developer, tester with a deep passion for people. This passion drove me to become a technical recruiter over 10 years ago. During this period, we've realized that to effectively work with companies and people in general, we must combine a technical and data-driven approach with the assessment of soft skills and cultural fit of the candidate to meet the specific needs of our client. At ITSelecta, I manage and train our recruitment team, keeping them up to date with market trends and providing them with all the tools they need to find the right candidates for our clients, even the most challenging ones. With many years of experience, our team acts in a consultative manner, serving as advisors to both the client and the candidate. Also, as an engineer and IT enthusiast, I am involved in green technology, having developed a system that recycles waste into alternative fuel. Similarly, I manage our recruitment team and the flows of communication and work in a practical and organized manner. While we specialize in IT recruitment, we are also highly skilled with industrial recruitment, where some clients have sought our support and after working with us, further recommended our services to the other companies. The roles we have recruited for include quality control inspectors, machine operators, maintenance technicians, process engineers, health and safety officers, production supervisors, and production managers. We work with companies in partnership for these roles, which means we can help you create job description together and collaborate with you as if we were your external HR office or work alongside your internal HR team as a single unit. Clients are very happy with our approach to recruitment. Our candidates also do not hide their satisfaction with working with us. Besides myself and Alessandro, the ITSelecta team includes other technical recruiters with backgrounds similar to mine, and others more psychological in nature to cover the different competencies we will analyze in candidates. Contact us today for a free consultation. If you have challenging roles that you're struggling to fill, we might be the company you're looking for. Many companies started working with us alongside other partners, and now we remain their only trusted providers. Get in touch.